Learn how to show a loading message while the weather app is waiting for the API to respond. Now, in this lesson, we want to learn how we can actually display loading info while our weather app is fetching data. And that is because fetching data takes time. Sometimes it is fast depending on your network. Sometimes it takes a few seconds. And if nothing changes on the screen while loading, users may think that the app has stopped working. So in order to prevent that, we are going to just implement a way to display a simple loading message before sending the request. And when the weather data arrives, we will replace it with the actual weather information. For example, look at what is going to happen when I try to search for this city now. Now you see that it displays the city name, and after a while now display other information. So the time it takes to display the name and the other information is what we actually want to make a provision for, so that a user will know that it is still a task in progress. It is not completed yet. So to achieve this, let's go after the search button and let's add a p tag and give it an ID of loading. So now that we have completed this, let's go into our JavaScript file and let's select it. Pulse loading equals to document.getElement by ID loading. So we have successfully selected it, and now let's go and add it to where we need to display it. So inside our search weather function, so let's just do that before okay, before the call, let's try and show it. Loading dot text contents equals loading. Let's see. Now it is working when we try to load something, but also we also need to clear the message. And to clear the message, let's come down after awaiting the response, which is here. Let's add it and say loading dot text content is equal to empty string. So let's go again. Loading, and then it disappears once it fetches the data. London Vancouver. I'm not sure this is correct. Tower. Now you can see it. Let's try something like Lagos. Loading, and once it displays the data, then everything just disappeared. So now users have an idea of what is happening while the app waits for the API response. And as soon as the response is converted into JSON, we clear the loading message by setting its text to an empty string. And this gives users immediate feedback that the application is working. So we have successfully learned how we can display loading text while fetching data in our application.